Wow, that's a 320i.
In this video, we're taking this Honda Ballad for a POV drive at Magoebaskloof, so it is going to be a nice driving experience, and stay by and watch the video till the end. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and we're about to hit 3,000 if we have not hit 3,000 subscribers. Very important, subscribe and stay tuned for more car content and all sort of vlogs that I'm gonna be doing around cars and all of that. So also check me out on Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. So before I go for a POV drive, I need to get this car washed, and the car wash here is very full. I'm just gonna go find an alternative car wash, and yeah, once the car is clean, we will be ready to go. So I was actually setting up the camera, and now we're actually ready to go. So I'm just waiting for the cars to pass, and then we enter the road. So let's go and see what Magoebaskloof has for us. Buying avocados. So if you want the nicest avocados in the world, you must visit Tzaneen. I think everything that is here in Tzaneen, like in terms of fruits and all of that, they are really nice. So Tzaneen has got quite a lot of fruits, like a wide range of fruits that you can actually enjoy in winter, in summer. So avocados, oranges, guava, all sort of nuts, and quite a lot of things, man. So if ever you want to visit Tzaneen, do come and get some nice fruits. Guys are enjoying the view, and there is actually more that is still coming. So I'm actually thinking for my birthday next year, I'm renting a car that I'm gonna drive through Magoebaskloof and just get the experience of driving a nice car that has got good performance, and you know, just take a drive around Magoebaskloof. Even if it's for a day, I'll actually enjoy it. But I doubt I'll get a car at a reasonable price in Limpopo, but if I rent one from Gauteng, I'll just drive this side and come enjoy a drive, yeah. Because I really think that there is actually not a lot of roads like this in Gauteng. I don't know about the Hartebees, but I don't think it really has nice roads like this one. So Magoebaskloof is one of its kind, and so if you know any place almost similar to Magoebaskloof, oh, that guy named M4 Baba, yo, I hope you guys are seeing him, yo. This is actually what I want to do, you know, get a nice performance car and go up Magoebaskloof. It will be a nice experience, and let's keep on watching. Let's generate income for my birthday next year, and we're actually going to do it. So now I'm actually reminded the car is no longer responding quite well because it doesn't have enough torque. I need to actually switch to the S mode and control the car using the pedal shifters. So now you can see quite a lot of cars are slowing down, and I've actually moved to gear 4 and just to pick up some speed because and get some power transfer to the wheels and some torque, because it is not gonna respond quite well. I guess you already see what I was saying. I think this is a Polo TSI, those older visions, and then they are moving quite well because of the table. And here, if you're driving a manual and you don't change down while it is still early, you might as well not change down anymore. You might be delayed, in fact. Oh, this is not a TSI. Is it a GT or what? I'm not seeing properly, but yeah, something along those lines. So this is what Magoebaskloof looks like if you don't know. And yeah, you might actually enjoy driving a car that has got decent performance on this mountain. So in case you had anticipated that the CVT is going to be too bad here, not really. It depends on you as the driver and your driving style. I don't mind taking my revs that high, like above 3000 RPMs, for as long as I'm gonna get good performance and get the car moving, because on this mountain the only thing you can do is to keep the car moving. You need a lot of torque transferred to the wheels in terms of Newton meters. So just look at something like this. And also you need to be careful not to speed too much because there's quite a lot of curves. I wish I'd connected Android Auto, but I guess you can see. I'll post a map of this place for you guys to see, and there's a coffee shop this side if you wish to stop and have coffee on this mountain. If you're out on a date with your partner, you might as well stop there. So quite a nice driving experience. And if you are what do you call acrophobic, I guess that is the right term for people who have got the fear of heights, never look down and see what is going on down there, because you're gonna be scared when you see that you're on the top of the mountain and you keep on climbing the mountain. So never find yourself also in this situation of not doing the right thing. Always gear down
go to the lowest gear possible, pick up, and then you'll move to the upper gear like I'm doing right now. So I think now we're fine. We're ready to go and finish up the drive on the mountain. And yeah, so this is the Honda Ballad 1.5 CVT, 89 kilowatts, 145 Newton meters of torque. So this is what the view looks like from here. You can actually stop by as well and take some nice pictures. So it is quite a nice driving experience that you'll get here, and you wouldn't actually regret. And if you've watched up to now, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more car related content. And I'll actually be expanding my content into vlogs and all sort of things, traveling content and all sort of other things that you may like. So please. So you see, if I drive it on normal drive, I'm gonna get a proper power distribution, and I wouldn't actually need to do the gear down and gear up using the pedal shifters. It will just do that on its own. But the boring thing is that you're going to get a terrible engine noise from this natural aspirated engine. And also note that this is CVT, so it works in a different way from a conventional automatic gearbox. So here there is no a gearbox, and you wouldn't actually expect to get those gears changing So it is just an open up of the pulley and with the help of the belt, and that's all. So I'm just gonna switch back to the S mode drive, and yeah, that will actually give me a satisfactory driving experience. So let me go. So gear 3 now. So I'm driving on 3 now. Let's go pick up 4. Then we go. We're gonna pick up as well. If ever I feel that there is actually not sufficient power distribution, I'm gonna do it once more. Like you see now, I'm going uphill and I feel that it is moving but not sufficiently. Go back once.